Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your Android phone. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Now, scroll down and look for System or Additional Settings. This may vary depending on your device. Tap on it, then scroll down a little and tap on Factory Reset. Before continuing, make sure to back up your important data like photos, contacts, and files, because this process will delete everything from your phone. Now, tap on Reset Phone or Erase All Data. You may be asked to enter your PIN, password, or pattern to confirm. After that, your phone will restart and begin the reset process. This may take a few minutes. Once it's done, your phone will turn on like a brand new device and you'll need to set it up again. And that's it. And that's how you can easily reset your Android phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.